Classification of numbers. Numbers can be classified as prime, composite, even and odd. Let us look at them one by one. Consider the number 7. Let us list out its factors. Let us look at some more numbers and their factors. What is common among these numbers? All these numbers have only two factors, 1 and the numbers themselves. Numbers that have exactly two factors, 1 and the numbers themselves, are known as prime numbers. 1 is a unique number. It has only one factor, 1 or the number itself. A Greek mathematician called Eratosthenes devised an easy method to locate the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Let us take a look at this method. We draw a table of 10 columns. In the first column, we list the numbers from 1 to 10. In the second column, the numbers from 11 to 20 and so on. Thus, in the last column, we list the numbers from 91 to 100. We cross out numbers that are not prime and circle those that are prime. 1 is not prime as it has only one factor. We draw a cross on it. 2 is prime as it has exactly two factors. We draw a circle around it. We draw a cross on all the multiples of 2. 3 is prime. We draw a circle around it. We draw a cross on all the multiples of 3. We proceed till we have drawn a cross or a circle around all the numbers from 1 and 100. This table is known as the sieve of Eratosthenes. The encircled numbers are prime numbers. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. 2 is the smallest prime number. All prime numbers are odd except 2. Twin prime numbers are two prime numbers whose difference is 2. Let us look at some more numbers and their factors. All these numbers have more than two factors. Numbers that have more than two factors are known as composite numbers. 1 is a unique number. It is neither prime nor composite. It has only one factor, 1, that is, the number itself. Let us consider the sieve of Eratosthenes. Crossed out numbers except 1 are composite numbers. There are 74 composite numbers between 1 and 100. Numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 are called even numbers. All even numbers are divisible by 2 exactly. All even numbers are multiples of 2. All even numbers except 2 are composite numbers. Numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers.